Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful video today. So it's your boy Zenith, and today I want to talk about the Roku app. Alright, so I don't know if I'm pronouncing it very well, but this is Roku app, right? Yeah. ROKKU or QQU. Same thing. Alright, so guys, so today I want to talk about an overview. All right, so I'm not focusing on any topic in particular. I just want to do a rough overview about what you should know about Roku app and all that. So quite easy. I'm just going to tell you how to deposit, buy and sell, and also withdraw. Okay, so first you need to do first of all is you have to, okay, mine is already I already confirmed my email, so you have to, it's gonna be here on yours. If you're using a desktop, I'm also gonna make a video for those using an Android phone. All right, so I'm gonna duplicate this video, one for web, one for desktop, and the other one for mobile phone. All right, so you can watch the two and see which one you want to use. But it's quite easy on laptop. I know laptop is not easy to move around, so that's the reason why I'm doing both videos. All right, guys, let's get back to the video. Okay, so yeah, like I said, Roku offers from your portfolio, from the portfolio right here. Roku offers some interesting things like BTC, ETH, USD, XRP, EOS. So like it's the first Nigerian-based crypto exchange that offers all this stuff. Nigerian-based, of course, and that's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. All right, so now, from here, you can actually send and receive. We all know about send and receive. So, if you want to send Bitcoin, click here. If you want to receive Bitcoin, click here. If you want to swap Bitcoin, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So now the swap side is very good. Like it's cool. I do a lot of trading Bitcoin and all of that, and yeah, Roku did the best. So, but I don't know how fast it is because right now my account is zero balance, everywhere 00000. So, but I want to see how you guys correspond and engage with this video. So I'm expecting more views, I'm expecting more likes, and I'm expecting more comments. So make sure you hit this make sure you hit the like button. It's really gonna help this video. So if I see a lot of interactions with this video, I'm gonna actually make a proper video, and I'm gonna talk about each and every one of this section and what you should do best and what you shouldn't do. All right, so now, yeah, you can actually swap swiftly. Like let's say, for example, I want to swap some few amounts of Bitcoin. Okay, do I have zero account? So right here it says I'm going to receive 15 USDT. USDT is a stable coin, quite all right. And you can see the fee they're charging. So they're charging you 2% of this. All right, so they're charging you 2% of this. Always take note of that. So, and which is cool. But so if I have my balance here, then I'll be able to click on accept, and the swap it takes over. And once I go to my wallet, I'll no more get Bitcoin. It depends on what I'm swapping. If I'm swapping all my Bitcoin, I'll not get Bitcoin anymore, and everything's gonna go to USDT. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to deposit. Okay, so I can deposit cool. It's very easy to deposit. There are two options you're going to take note of and other stuff. So let's say, for example, I want to deposit 10,000 naira. All right, cool. So now they say 10,000 naira right here is equal to um is equal to $20 18 cents. Wow, the naira is really devaluing, seriously. Like it used to be $30 before, but now it's not $20. That's really bad. All right, so guys, now look at this very well. Now they're telling you where should we charge the fee from, which I think is a good option. If you want them to charge the fee inside this 10,000 naira, then you're going to click on this. Now you can now see you now have 19.78 dollar. All right, so but if you want them to charge it right into dollar, then you can just leave it right here, and they're going to charge the amount from when you deposit, when you're depositing. All right, so now if we're okay with this, then we can now click on proceed to deposits. Now we can do bank transfer, we can do card. So, but due to many Nigerians have card restriction right now because of CBN new rules and regulation, which is bullshit. And most of you might not be able to do Swift transaction with card, so I prefer use bank transfer. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to show you guys how bank transfer works and how Swift it is. So now once you click on your bank transfer, right? So now this is it. Listen carefully. Roku has already are giving you a bank account in your name and also in Roku's name. So Roku is the surname, yeah, and your name is whatever your name is. Okay, so now Roku gave you Provider's bank account and also gave you Wema bank account, but they're saying this is recommended. So I think this one is more swift than this one. All right. So, but if this one ain't going, then you can, of course, go for this one. So now this is easy. This is your bank account. All right. So now with the bank account Roku has already given you. All right. So cool. Now what you just have to do is take your mobile phone. All right. So you can do the USSD code or you can do the mobile bank application and then transfer to this bank account. So you're transferring to this account, you're transferring to this bank name, and of course you're expecting this name to pop up. Then once you do a 10,000 naira transfer, because you want to deposit 10,000 naira, once you do a 10,000 naira transfer, then just you have to go back and wait for like let's say 3 minutes and go back to your overview. 3 minutes and your money is going to appear here. You're going to see 10,000 naira boldly appeared there. So there you just did depositing. So now the next side, if you want to buy Bitcoin. It's like it says instant buy and instant sell. So you want to buy Bitcoin. So let's assume you already have Bitcoin in our wallet. All right. So you can click on which digital currency you want to buy or sell. So let's say we want to go for Bitcoin. Well, we can enter the amount in Naira or we can enter the amount in BTC. All right. So which one is suitable for you? Then you can click to purchase. So let's say with 10,000 Naira, we just deposited. Okay, I know we didn't really do any deposit, but just assume the 10,000 naira deposit or whatever amount you have deposited while watching this video. Then you click on proceed with blah blah blah. So now they're saying confirm purchase. Okay, I have sufficient balance. You all know that. So now they're saying I'm spending 10,000 naira. Service charge for this is actually 200 naira, which is 2% of the fees, which I think is low compared to other. And for the fact that you know it's 2%, it's swift, it's cool, it's good. Good job to whosoever is behind Roku. All right, so but I don't have sufficient balance. But if I do have sufficient balance, then there will be a tab for OK right here. So I'm just gonna click on it, and yeah, I've sold my Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin will turn to Naira. So like you guys seen, there's instant buy and there's instant sell. So if you click on this, instant buy and instant sell. Okay, that's cool. Then now if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw straight up to your bank account. All right. So you're gonna put your bank account in your name. All right. So let's say we want to withdraw back that 10,000 naira, that invisible 10,000 naira we got. Okay, yeah, this is it. So now the maximum you can do, all right, is a million naira, and the minimum you can do is 500 naira. So let's say we want to proceed to withdraw that 10,000. Ooh, this is no insufficient balance right here, but if you have a balance, of course, then you can click on proceed, then that money will be sent to your bank account. All right, so guys, um this is like the official website. Tokens is just for you to see what's happening with each tokens they have on their list there. USDT, Ethereum, EOS, BTC, blah blah blah, Tron, and all of that, and also merchandise if you want to work with them. So this is the tab for merchants already, so you can go through this if you really want to do business with them. And also this is for tokens to see what token, the price of what token each tokens is really doing a day and all of that. And also of course the last one is the home page. All right, so this is where you see latest info about Roku and all of that. So and of course this is the wallet page. All right, so where everything happens. All right, so I'm going to just click back on overview. Now guys, the thing I like Roku is the way the website is being designed. Like everything is already loaded in already, so once you click it's very very fast. Even if you have a very poor network, it goes very very fast. So all right guys, so let me show you guys about savings. All right, so if you want to save with Roku, this is very brilliant. Roku has given you a platform to actually save your money. So instead of saving in the cultural bank, we save. And actually, if you save like an 100K in a year, you are getting 98K or even 95,000 naira, because we know how Nigerian banks, whale money. They open their shark mouth and take money from your account. So, but this initiative is for you to save your crypto, and it's going to be stable. It's not going to it's a Bitcoin is falling or Ethereum is falling, whatever crypto you put is not going to affect it, because you're using a stable currency called USDT. All right. So now let's click if we want, if we want to actually you know start saving. So in 1 month, they're gonna give you, if you wanna lock up your funds in 1 month, they're gonna give you about 0.8%, and in 3 months they're gonna give you 3%. In 6 months they're gonna give you 7%, and in 12 months they're gonna give you 5%, which I think is cool if you just want to save your money. But if you want to trade your money, it is quite small. So I made around 15 to 30% monthly. So if you want to join, you can actually I'm gonna put my WhatsApp number in the description below, so you can inbox me and see how I make money. I run a WhatsApp group where all that happen. So I tell you when to buy, when to sell, and it's actually risk free. So your initial fund is actually intact. I'm gonna show you guys all that. I also make the video, so you have to subscribe and look at other videos I've done. It's very educative. All right. So, but nice initiative. Roku also, if you want to speak to them, you can easily come to this place and speak to them. And I observed something, because before I make videos, I make sure I actually go do deep research, like 1 or 2 days research, and see. But a lot of people have been complaining about creating tickets, and it's quite, maybe Goku is quite slow to reply. Or if you also use this tab right here, like you want to chat with them, slow to reply. And even also on Instagram, they're also slow to reply. So okay, if you're watching this video, please work on that, work on that, work on that. Don't make, you have a lot of competitors out there, don't make people run away from you. This is actually a swift platform. Honestly, I've been using a lot of these kinds of exchange, and Roku is it's cool. It's cool. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you love this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you drop your comments, and also make sure you like, please. Even though you didn't watch the video up to this moment, make sure you like the video. It works very well for the video. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoy this video. Thank you.